Hi everybody. So what are you seeing now is I would like to do unboxing of Arissto Coffee Maker 2.0. So basically it is a coffee maker machine using capsule. So it will make everybody easier to do coffee, to prepare coffee lah, right? So let's watch this video fully, then I will show some previews how to use this coffee maker machine. For all of your information, there is many flavors of capsules available, so you can choose espresso capsule, cappuccino, latte capsule, milk and chocolate capsule, mocha capsule, iced coffee, roast cappuccino, right? So in this video I choose iced coffee. They call it Amico. So the packaging is very neat, so easy to carry any other place. If you want to go, you can bring it easily, you can put in your bag, so there is no problem. Arissto, art of Italian coffee. Okay guys, if you want to buy this coffee maker, either you want to buy this coffee powder, kindly PM me or give comment for this video. I will let you know. Monthly only RM1 ringgit installment. It's very easy. Hopefully this video helpful for you. How to use this Arissto Italian coffee maker. Sayonara. Take care.